In this video you will learn how to navigate through the wizard settings. When you log in as a new user for the very first time, the TRIOS application will give you a setup wizard on the screen. The wizard will guide you through the following settings: language, user details, and 3Shape Communicate login. If you click Exit on the wizard, you will skip this guide, and then the default settings will be used. Selecting the Later button will give you the chance to customize your system next time you log in. The recommended option is to press Next and begin to customize the settings of your profile. Here you choose your preferred language from the 21 languages drop-down list. By selecting a language, all buttons will be displayed in the preferred language. At this step, you can also exit or fill this out later. There is also the possibility to move between the guide steps using the Back and Next buttons. Pressing Next will take you to the user details, where you have the opportunity to create a new or modify an existing user. The next page will let you set up your 3Shape Communicate account. When the required settings have been set, click on the Finish button to save it. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.